Hi there everyone, this is SkeletonKey here. Before I start this video, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to all of you that have subscribed to my channel. I know I've been absent for a number of months now, but I couldn't help but notice that I had reached about 140 subscribers. And since I had last been on, I hadn't even hit 100 yet. So 100 was a big milestone for me, and I can't even begin to describe how much I appreciate it, especially because I wasn't even regularly posting. I am hoping to pick up some of these videos again. I have a bit more time on my hands now, and hoping to definitely pick up this hobby again, get more involved in the community, and yeah, just have some fun. So please enjoy this video, and hope I'll be seeing you guys again soon. How's it going, guys? This is SkeletonKey here, back from an extremely extended hiatus and an unintentionally extended hiatus that I can get into another time. But I decided to pick back locks up today, just, with the quarantine and everything going on. Hard to find some more stuff to do, and so I figured it'd be a good time to pick some of this back up. And I'm going to go right into a challenge lock because I apparently just like to torture myself. So I will be picking challenge lock. And I believe that's from Mr. X. NSW, I'm not really sure what that means. But I'm guessing that's from Mr. X. So thank you, Mr. X. We're going to do top of the keyway tension. And let's see how many pins there are in here. It's been a while. It's been some months, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. All right, I certainly picked a hard one. So here we go. Medium tension. Immediately feeling something in the back here, I think. Or that's just me hitting the back of the lock. Okay, definitely got something. I think that might have been pin 5. Okay, there's something funky in the back already. I'll let that go and then try to get it better this time. Okay. That felt like some sort of serrated spool, perhaps. Felt something click in the back again. Okay, there we go. That was a solid click, and I felt the cylinder turn. Okay, felt a slight click on 2. Big click on 2. 3, I'm getting a little counter. Got a click, but I felt something else drop. I think something in the back may have fallen. Maybe. I'm nervous because I don't want to lose what I have, but sometimes that is just the way that it is. Nope. I'll let that go. Lost something there. There we go. Okay. Click in the back again. I think I'm gonna need one more. Yep. That might be a really high spool in the back. That would be sad. Okay, click on 2. I might even need to break out. I'm just using the regular Peterson standard hook. I might need to break out the deep hook depending on how this goes. So I really think there's counter in the back. I'm just doing something with the lock. There. Ooh, that was a nice turn of the cylinder. Probably a false set. 3, I think. May actually be 2. Ooh, that feels weird. Feels like it's solid. Oh, still got it, baby. All right. All right. That was exciting. I'm going to need a screwdriver to take this one apart. So I will do that at a later time, because I don't think I have one with me right now. Hey there, everyone. In my excitement and looking for a screwdriver, I realized that I forgot to film any sort of outro for the video. So just wanted to thank you guys again for watching the video, and I encourage you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button if you enjoyed it. And please stay tuned, as I'm hoping to post more, like I said. So thank you guys again for watching.